Headache English, make friends.
Words to discuss. Elicit, illicit. Immigrate, immigrate. Formally, formerly. Story, story. Quiet, quiet.
Illicit versus illicit. Illicit, verb. Evoke a response.
Illicit, adjective illegal or unlawful.
Examples. Elicit, the survey was intended to elicit information from people.
Illicit, his doctor told him to stop using illicit drugs.
Let us use the words together. Health officers will elicit information in towns tomorrow to know who were the people reported in using illicit drugs to help them put in a rehabilitation center.
Emigrate versus immigrate. Emigrate, verb. Relocate or to leave your own country and settle to another.
Immigrate, verb. Live permanently in a foreign country.
Examples. Emigrate, Alvaro emigrated to work in the Navy.
Immigrate, many people want to immigrate to New Zealand because of their good governance.
Let us use the words together. Johan's family received a letter that their father needs to immigrate to Canada because of his work. So the whole family decided to come with him since they were planning to immigrate there for a long time.
Formally versus formally. Formally, adverb officially, seriously or correctly.
Formerly, adverb previously or happened in the past.
Examples. Formally, the company hasn't formally announced the plan yet.
Formerly, Soleil can now enjoy the things of which formerly she had dreamt of.
Let us use the words together. Formerly, I am frightened to do steps for this business. Finally, I can now formally say that launching this business is one of my greatest decisions. Aaron said happily.
Story versus story. Story, noun, a part of a building.
Story, noun. A history, tale or report about events that happened.
Examples. Story, I live on the top story of that building.
Story, every experience tells a story.
Let us use the words together. From John's story, they saw a thief on the upper story of the building.
Quiet versus quiet. Quiet, adjective make no sound, silence.
Quite, adverb totally or absolutely.
Examples. Quiet, when I entered the house, I was hugged by the quiet surroundings.
Quite, I'm not sure if I can attend early, I am quite busy.
Let us use the words together. Annalise is very quiet and quite reserved.
You're in the mid part of the video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Now, let us see how these students use the words we discussed.
Good morning, everyone. Since today is our first meeting, we will just do briefing about the course you're taking.
After a few moments.
Now, find your own group for the survey that you're going to do. This activity functions to elicit information from small construction companies to big ones on how they started. Try to ask them about the illicit acts that you might need to avoid in the future. That's all for now. Good luck. I believe we don't formally know each other yet. I am Clay.
Right. I am Jax.
Hello, I am Amber.
I think I know you. Did you formerly model Pondo's gowns?
Oh, that? Yes, I was one of their models.
The reason why you look so familiar. Anyway, are you new here, Clay?
In this school? Yes, I came here for a vacation when my mom emigrated here for work but ended up immigrating here too since she wants me to study in this university.
Sounds cool. Surely, you will enjoy the life here.
I surely will, if you'd be my friends.
Well, we're all friends now.
After some times.
There's an ongoing construction of a 3-story building near my place. The building is quite small but I think it is okay.
Yep. Since our aim is to know the success story of small construction companies.
What building is that?
HVR building.
Oh. That building is owned by my uncle. They are just building that as their storage room but he owned GR Construction Company too.
Great. I think we can just interview you, Uncle.
Of course. My uncle won't go quiet until he finishes telling us their success story. He's really proud of their company's achievements.
Let's check your knowledge. Direction: fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. It's hard to blank a response from you since you're always trying to take every word in a silly way. Number 2. Why are you taking this matter blank? Number 3. Blank trading has been around for a long time.
Letter A. Illicit.
Letter B. Illicit.
The correct answers are: Number 1. Letter A. It's hard to elicit a response from you since you're always trying to take every word in a silly way. Number 3. Letter B. Illicit trading has been around for a long time.
Number 4. Our company planned to blank the company in the city. Number 5. The birds will surely blank during the winter. Number 6. After he got accepted to the job he applied for, John decided to blank to Finland next month.
Letter A. Emigrate.
Letter B. Immigrate.
The correct answers are: Number 5. Letter A. The birds will surely emigrate during the winter. Number 6. Letter B. After he got accepted to the job he applied for, John decided to immigrate to Finland next month.
Number 7. The Philippines was blank colonized by Spaniards. Number 8. Aries completed his blank education in 2018. Number 9. My appointment has not been blank approved yet.
Letter A. Formally.
Letter B. Formerly.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter B. The Philippines was formerly colonized by Spaniards. Number 9. Letter A. My appointment has not been formally approved yet.
Number 10. The blank that's been circulating the university ruins someone's life. Number 11. The top blank of the building is designed as the kids' area. Number 12. We blank the foods in the refrigerator.
Letter A. Storey.
Letter B. Story.
The correct answers are: Number 10. Letter B. The story that's been circulating the university ruined someone's life. Number 11. Letter A. The top story of the building is designed as the kids' area.
Number 13. The kids enter their rooms blank. Number 14. The game rules are blank hard. Number 15. Anton was very blank the whole time.
Letter A. Quiet.
Letter B. Quite.
The correct answers are: Number 14. Letter B. The game rules are quite hard. Number 15. Letter A. Anton was very quiet the whole time.
Congratulations! You're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.